Okay, transition. How do you practice a transition apart from rehearsing with the band? I think it is a brain issue, definitely. And we have the same transitions between sticking. When we go from singles to doubles to triples to a paradiddle, all of these transitions, to make them very smooth, is actually very difficult. So I came up with a concept to practice this, and I think it does work. Don't concentrate on speed, concentrate on accuracy. This is a little like 4-bar exercise. First bar is single strokes, like this. Second bar, double strokes. Third bar, triple strokes. Because of the triple strokes, you cannot start the fourth bar on the downbeat. You have to start it a 16th earlier. And that's when you go to 4 strokes. But right before the bar line. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you've got 1/16th note left. That's it. And that will start the whole exercise again, but leading with the opposite hand. So I'll play it real slow so you can hear. So the concept is to make it sound like this. One hand, one stick. They're always going to sound different. The sticks sound different. Different pitches, which will get a different pitch out of the drum. Your hands sound different, because all instruments come from here. That's how you get a sound. So if you do this, they're going to sound a little different. But what I try to do is make that threshold very narrow. So instead of it being, or I'm over exaggerating, I try to make it sound. Okay, so I'll do it a little bit quicker now. Okay, transition. When you're practicing, don't speed up. If you're trying to, how am I going to work this out? You know, maintain a tempo. Stop, go to the next tempo. We want to try to practice everything at once. Okay, so while you're practicing the specific let's call it a rudiment, a tool, practice all the other stuff as well. Maintaining a great tempo, maintaining the same dynamics, whether you're going to play it quietly or loudly. Try to maintain the same height with the left and right hand. Try to concentrate on the tone. Every time that stick strikes a head, concentrate on pulling the sound out of the drum. And the most important thing, even if it's just a very simple rudiment, make it feel great. That's the most important thing. Simple paradiddle. You know, it's not, you know what I mean? It's got to feel good. That's, you know, even though it's a rudiment, it still has to feel like music.